Yeah, man.
This a for the mother we fight every storm. The queen who carry 3 scholars. Woman who raised a journalist for the world stage. That's me. Respect and honor. Always. Always. We start from a liquor just to sing a mother was the line. No struggle, not the pocket, but my spirit still divine. I miss a go on school, my picnic, you're born to be strong. Night after night, me pray and wipe the tears. We give him books, push him out of fear. We work with faith when the money never come. Hold on, your son not done. Come here, mother of a giant. Raise the voice of Jamaica, brilliance and defiance from Kingston to London classroom, the sunshine, like sunshine. Me a mother of a giant, graduate worldwide, my journey triumphant. Award-winning journalist out of yard. Though the road was hard, him teacher, the school of economic in a London town, still humble with him roots, Jamaican crown. Oxford, me nearly cried tears. Teacher, doctor, scholar, me son for years. When the governor general call me name for VIP, me son taught like seed, another for me. Ooh, can be a mother of a giant. Storm and his triumphant. From the lunch money to university stage. My son was big like a lion out a cage. Mother of a giant. They come in here in every continent. You never know the tears will water my floor. Night me beg God for more, but now me 3 children educated and strong. Criminal justice master, biology, me line is long. To beat like Jamina Zion, Mary's warrior, lion pan. Step in a king's house with grace in my stride. For every sacrifice me make God multiply. Come here, mother of a giant. Legacy bigger than the island. From pain to gold, the story of my family must be told. Mother of a giant, bright, my spirit vibrant. Ooh. To every mother who pushed through the storm, greatness grow from your love. My story approved. This Jamaican woman has raised the world. Yes, that's me. And that's my story. And that's my son. This Jamaican woman has raised the world. How about that? Put an angle on the cup. Yes.
She knows she must win. She teach her pickness, dear humble, dear wise. Move with respect, but aim for the prize. She sacrificed everything. She fight every test. Raise them with discipline. Raise them with
a Jamaican woman has raised the world. The mother behind the pen. For giant. Triumphant. Hey. Mama of a giant. Mama tough, mama never quit when life get rough.
Mama strive, mama fight, mama
Turn darkness and turn it into light.
Mama walk with poor.
My book is out, Struggle to Strength. Look in my bio, press Linktree, and it will lead you to the payment system to purchase my book, From Struggle to Strength. That's my story. Mother of a giant. Hey. Salute you, mothers. I salute you today.
But this mama, she raised a journalist for the world.
She raised a journalist for the world. She raised scholar. She raised excellent. She's the mother of a giant. Forever respect. Forever crown. Yes. All right. Run the truck. Yay! This is for the real queen, mama.
This one for the mama where rise to be pain. Fight every storm, still stand tall again. Real super summer, that strength insane. Light up the world again and again.
Mama carry burden
On her shoulders.
Rain fall hard, but her heart get bolder. Single mother hustle from sun up to dark.
Big up single mothers.
Light up the world, make your mark.
Life never easy, but she never stop. Even when the money low, she
Rise
rise
to the top.
Now the boy turn journalist, bigger what him win.
Hey.
Mama smile bright, star glow from within.
Yeah, you did that.
The mother of an award-winning journalist out of Jamaica. Look. Look at us.
Your name shine bright everywhere you go.
Take a picture.
Your glow so brilliant. Rise from the setback, strong and resilient. From Jamaica to London, all the world see. Mama of a journalist, royalty of a legend.
Vibes so radiant. Strength in your blood, that permanent. Mother of a legend. Vibes so radiant. Strength in your blood.
Raise a king, 2 scholars, baby, where they do that. Criminal justice master, biology queen. Whole family shining like a royal regime. Had nothing but faith, now she blessed with a glow. VIP at King's house, everybody know. Governor General call us elite statisticists. Whole island proud, let me tell you like this.
You ain't just a mother, you are
Our foundation.
Built a dynasty with pure dedication. Journalist, son, on the
I'm
world
not
stage
just a
now.
mother.
Ask for less, summer, baby, take a
I'm a
bow.
foundation behind
Mama fight for
greatness.
love, Mama fight for peace. Mama raise a king and her blessings increase. Through the struggle, she never lose her flame. Call her name, mother of a legend. Every obstacle you beat it. True warrior queen, can't defeat it. From Kingston streets to the global show, Mama name travel every place and go. Mother legend, that crown you wear, stand up strong. Mother legend, that crown you wear, stand up strong. Respect everyone.
Mama walk to fire, but she never melt. Every tear she cried, turn strength she felt. Her son lift people with truth in him. Study him work again. London School of Economics, he teach. Oxford University, IT, that got this blessing deep.